this video, I'm going to show you how to fix App Store asking for verification. If your App Store is asking for verifications, it could be due to various reasons. Here are some common solutions to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've updated your iOS and you are running the latest version of your operating system. Simply go and tap Open Settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap General. Tap the Software Update button and check for available updates for your operating system. If you see an update available, tap the Download and Install button and follow the prompts in order to get the latest software for your iOS. Once you've updated your iOS, you can go and check if your App Store issue is fixed or not. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to do is to check your Apple ID settings. Go to Settings on your device again, and from the Settings menu, tap on your Apple ID or your name at the top of the screen. Ensure that all of your information for your Apple account are accurate, such as your payment information and all of your details. After you make sure that all of them are correct, the next thing to do is to sign out of your Apple ID. From the same page, tap on the Sign Out button at the bottom of the page, and once you sign out of your account, sign in again using your Apple ID credentials. If you're connected to any VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily and see if the verification issue still persists. Some VPNs or proxies can interfere with the Apple's authentication process, so make sure you turn it off and check if your App Store is working. If none of the solutions that I just showed you works, then you can always reach out to the Apple support for further assistance. Simply contact Apple support and they can help you diagnose the problem and provide specific solutions based on your account and device. Those were some of the fixes you could try if your App Store is asking for verification. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another video like this. Goodbye till then.